Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. This video is about order of operations. This video is about order of operations. Order of operations are the rules on how to simplify an expression. As a reminder, an expression is numbers, symbols, and other operations grouped together. There is no equal sign and no inequality sign when we solve an expression. You probably have seen the rules of simplifying an expression before. People remember them by the acronym PEMDAS, parentheses and grouping symbols. Grouping symbols could be brackets, absolute values, parentheses. Then we do our exponents. Then we simplify any multiplication or division, and then we simplify any addition or subtraction. So let's look at an example. Here I have 8 times 7 minus 5 times parentheses 2 plus 1. So I'm going to start inside the parentheses. That gives me 3. Every other part of the problem, I'm going to drop down exactly the same. Now I have multiplication, subtraction, and multiplication. So we're going to do the first multiplication, drop down everything else. Now I'm left with subtraction and multiplication. So we do our our multiplication, and then I'll finish it up with subtraction. So my answer here would be 41. Here's a second example that's really similar. We have exponents, subtraction, addition, and multiplication. So again, we start inside the parentheses. We get 2 to the third power. Then we're left with exponents, addition, and multiplication. So we'll next do our exponents. That gives us 8 plus 2 times 6. We're left with addition and multiplication, so multiplication would be next. And then we'll finish off by adding those two numbers together. This was Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks.